Are you hurt? It's okay. We're passing in. All right. No, not right now. Stop. Oh, Columbia, freeze. When we pass, we do it silently. That means if you your silence and your hands are folded. Brandon, tonight, if you did it correctly, you're silent, your hands are folded. No, we're starting our math lesson. Unless you're about to use it on yourself. Are you about to use it on yourself? Okay, then fold your hands. We don't need it. Student. Well, the window side of the room kept their hands folded the whole time. So points to you for you didn't get tricked. Aaliyah, fold. My friends, today we are starting something brand new. So far, this school year, we worked with multiplication and division. Today, we're going to start with graphs. Say yes. Yes. Raise your hand if you remember graphs from last year. Nice. Hands folded. Up. Raise your hand. Hands folded. Keep them folded while I pass out our packet. Sit up. Fold your hands, Cortez. Keep them folded. Nice to Jordan Teresa. Bottom of your mouth. You guys will be able to read that, okay? Great. I'm watching. I'm hearing noises. They need to stop. Look flat. Silently take one and pass. Close your mouth, Christian. I can hear you from way up here. When you get yours, you may put your name on it. Get it. More seconds. Thanks, Sean. Put your name on it and your hands are folded tight. Nice. Silent. Rises ready. Christian's ready. All right. Pencils down. Even if you're not doing your name, your pencils are down. All right, guys. So today, yes, as I just said, we're starting graphs. Graphs are used in real life all the time. Track me. Yep, it's not on your paper yet. Track me. We use graphs all the time in real life. It's a visual way to look at data. Because of this, it's important to know how to read. Row 2, fold your hands. It's important to know how to read and create graphs. And then there's multiple different types of graphs. Today we're going to start with just picture graphs. Or pictographs. Let's look at our problem. It says, Miss Peterson asked her class, what is your favorite movie? Here's her data in this table here. Guys, these are tallies. Go ahead. And when you see one cross over, that means 5. It means very nice. Then it says each disc, it kind of looks like a CD, means 2 students chose that movie as their favorite. Create a pictograph to represent this information. So, I know last year in 2nd grade, you guys did some pictographs. We need to realize right here it says each disc means 2 students chose. That's a little different. Who remembers the different parts of a graph? There's multiple parts of a graph. Who remembers maybe some of the parts. Who's brave? Who's brave and thinks they remember maybe part of the graph? Tarija? Tarija, we'll come back to you. Mahogany? A picture graph is the type of graph. What are the parts? Like, who remembers what goes on this line up top? That's a part of the graph. Yes, I love that I see more hands. Elijah? Do you want help, Elijah? Demarion? The title. Yes, very nice. The title. What else do you need in a picture graph? DeJour? Oh, yes. Guys, that's called the category. When you write down the different titles of the movies, that's listing your categories. What else do you need? Daphne? These tallies here, what are we going to turn these tallies here into? This is the tip. Into what? The disc. Those are the picture. In this one, it says to make like a disc. But that's the picture. Yeah, that's an important part of a picture graph. Go ahead. And see, we said a title, the categories, the pictures. There's two other important parts. One of them is the headings. The headings. Yeah, you have to put where your categories are. You can't just start listing movies. You need to list the heading of the movie. And the most important part, the key. The key. Yes, your key. Who remembers what a key does? What does the key in the graph do? DeJour? Oh, loud and proud, DeJour. I think you're on it. Yeah, the key tells you how or what a picture represents. That's super important. Row 4, you're not tracking. Fix it. Row 3, you too, friends. Okay, here's the tricky part. We just went over the 4 parts of the graph that we need today. Now, with your partner, I'm going to give you a few minutes to get started on this graph before we come back together. I'm going to give you 3 minutes to get started. Go ahead and begin with your partner. What? You need an answer? Okay. Work with your partner. Work with your partner. I don't know what it says. So I see some people, some groups adding their title. Yeah, what do you think it needs to be? Okay, do it. Stop. The title needs to go with your data. Look at your data. What do you think the title needs to be? What do you think needs the title? What? I like it. Go ahead and do that. I see some people starting to list categories. This is a picture graph. Do you think you should be making tallies or using a picture? Scoot back. Zootopia. The movie. You're so smart. Hear my voice that one? Hear my voice that one? Okay. I saw a lot of friends making a title. Oh, put your pencils down. That's great. You've got to start with the title. Who thinks they know what the title should be? Trija? Why should the title be favorite movies, Trija? Oh, loud and proud. Somehow we can hear you. Put your pencils down. Oh, no. You're talking to Trija. You're listening. You're not being rude. What did Ms. Peterson ask for class? Yeah, she asked them what your favorite movie is, so that makes sense as a title. I then saw a lot of people start putting their categories, but there's something before categories. You guys, I saw two groups remember their heading. You guys have to list your heading for your categories. Let's look up here. We're going to keep building a graph together. Oh, don't get tricked. Track meet. Track meet. Yes, everyone. Row 3 full. And track meet. Thank you, Debbie. Thank you, Brandon. We're going to build this together, so you need to listen carefully for what I tell you to pick up your pencils and write, or when you're just tracking. Demarian, stop. So, they got their title. Favorite movies. I agree. If your title's not favorite movies, fix it. Oh, silently. Aaliyah, you can track up here on my poster. And I'll even label it title so we don't forget. And then we have our headings. I'll label those too. If you don't have your heading as movie or students vote or kids vote, do that now too. Give you 30 more seconds to write those. Pencils down. You'll have more time later. Pencils down. Sincere. Nigel, thank you. Why do you think I have to put headings instead of just something to list my categories? Turn it on Parker. Why do you think we have to put headings instead of just listing categories? If thinking is my toy, they're taking them cutting them off. Even if you need to, put your book on. Okay, let's go back. 3, 2, 1. have a list of movies and there are a bunch of pictures? Does that make the data easy to read? Oh, most people are saying no. Why do you think we need headings then? Why do you think we need headings? Christian?
I think we need headings to remind us.
Of what?
To remind ourselves about the following and the movie.
Oh, to remind ourselves of what the data is about. To remind ourselves of the data. To remind ourselves of the data. Yeah, we have headings to make it easier to read. Easier to read. Okay, so now, if you don't have, oh, excuse me, what do you think is the next part? We did our title. We did our headings. What's the next part you need to build in your graph? What do you think is next? Kelsey? Yeah, that's called your categories. If you don't have your categories like I do here on my poster, do that. I know most people have started on and finished it. I'm going to write the word categories. You guys are going to get 1 minute to write your categories. Silently write your categories. It's also on your data table. You're writing the movies. Despicable Me 3, Batman Lego Movie, Captain Underpants, Moana, Zootopia. If you need to shorten it like I did, I put like D-Me 3 for Despicable Me 3. Captain Underpants, you can put, I put CPN and then Underpants. Or you put just CU, Captain Underpants. Shorten it if you need to. Very nice. If you did it, your hands are full. Oh, trust me. Super important. Yes, Mahogany looked at me right away. Maya had me right away. Guys, you want your categories to be in the same order as your data. You want them in this order. I'm going to give you another minute because I see people make a mistake. You want it in the same order. Why? Why do you think you want them in the same order? Question?
If we don't put it in the same order because of your stuff.
Oh, you could get mixed up. Yeah, it makes it trickier to read. So they're going to be in this order. I'll give you 1 more minute. You write D-Me 3. You can put Batman Lego for Batman Lego movies. CU, Captain Underpants. Moana, Zootopia. Quickly. Okay, then total. Oh, yes, very nice. Michael James has a nice shorthand because he did it quickly. Your voice is off. Oh, Michael, if you're done, turn your body and move your hands. So I know you're done. Okay, just back 1 more second. When the timer goes out, put your pencil down. Sincere, stop. Trinity, you need to be right. You don't have them down there. Okay, now your pencil needs to be down. Okay. Let's look at our data table. How is our data represented in the table? How is our data represented in the table? Mahogany? How? Like what's used there? Is it just numbers? What are these? Ramaya? Tally marks. So, do I know how many kids voted for each? How? How do I figure out how many kids voted for each? Try to tell your partner. Okay, 3, 2, 1, Kelsey, and 0. How do I know how many kids voted for each one? Elijah? Kelsey? box? Counting the tallies. Guys, to make sure we don't make a mistake, you should put how many tallies are in each one. Take 1 minute, count your tallies with your partner. Label it in your box. After you count, put that number in your box. Why are you working on the next problem? That's not what you're doing. I asked you to put the number in each box. Work with us, Hannah. Put your numbers and take your tallies. Put your numbers and no, we're not putting tallies on. Put your numbers and putting tallies. You're not putting numbers. I told you to put the number, count the number of tallies, and put that number in the box. No, we're not putting tallies down here. Erase this. Put the number of tallies in this box. Stop. No, in here. Pencils down, hands folded. 3, 2, hands folded. 1, 0. 4 people still didn't fold on time. My friends, track me. Thank you to Shora and Michael Diggs right away. I have your eyes. I need my eyes in row 3 and 2. You guys were working on this together. Some people are working ahead of us, and you're doing the wrong thing. No Christian deduction. No noise. Guys, we're doing this together to learn. I asked you to put the number that goes with each tally set in the box. How many tallies or how many votes do we have for Despicable Me 3? Elijah. How many do we have for Batman Lego Movie? Terijah. How many do we have for Captain Underpants? Oh no, it's just ours. Okay. How many do we have, Sean? 16. How many do we have for Moana? Mahogany? How many do we have for Zootopia? Tamarion? Now, in your problem, excuse me, put your pencils down. Is a tally a picture? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Is a tally a picture? It's not. Hands folded. A line is not a picture. We need to take the tally line, the individual votes, and turn it into a picture. Our problem gave us the key. What is the key in this problem? Track mahogany. From Maya and Naya deduction, put your pencils down. What is this? Read this, everybody, to yourself. Read this line under your table. Go, read it to yourself. When you're done reading, hands are folded, tracking me, so I know you're done. Sean's done. Demarion's done. Zion's done. What does that say? What does it say, Micaiah? Ooh, each disc means that 2 students chose that movie as their favorite. What do you think we're going to draw for our picture then? What do you think you're going to draw as your picture? Christian? to draw? 4 people now? There's 8 people voted. How many discs do you think I need to draw? What do you think, Sean? Is 2 times 2 8? What do you think it is, Brandon? Why, Brandon? Good try, Brandon. Why do you think I need to draw 4 discs? Stop. Why do you think we need to draw 4 discs for Despicable Me 3? Kelsey. What do you mean? All right, I'll try this. 4 times 8 equals 8. How much does each disc represent? Christian, help her out.
4.
Well, how much does each disc represent? Everybody, how much does each disc represent? 2 students. So if there's 8 students voted for it, how many discs do I need to draw? Mahogany. Track mahogany. Why do I need to draw 4? Elijah. Mahogany, try again. Why do we need to draw 4? Let's look. Let me draw 4. You guys are telling me 4, but you're not telling me why. Maybe if we see it, hands down. Maybe if we see it, we'll realize. So if I have, what does one disc represent? Everybody. 2 students. Let's count by 2s. How many do I have right now? 2, 4. Have we gotten to 8 yet? No. How many do I need to draw then? Du jour. Why do I need to draw 4? There's 8 what? Stop. Du jour's almost at the right answer. Track du jour. He said there's 8 people that voted for Despicable Me. So why do I need to draw 2 discs? I need to be able to see 8 people voted and how much is 2 discs equal? Or 1 disc equal? 2 votes. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 votes, 4 discs. Because each disc equals 2 votes. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Draw in your pictures for all the categories. Go. No. How much let's do this? 2. Do for all movies. Brandon, sit down. You're not ready. Right? Right on your desk. More seconds. Stop. We're going to do ask to get up and deduction. No. Are you about to use it on your own? Okay, then that's instructions. You're not going to do it here for long. For my keep working. Since hands done, his hands are tight, and no one's done. Nice, my hands are folded. That's our timer. Jake's put his pencil down. I'm not going to put her pencil down this year at the timer. One more person put it down. Okay. How many discs do we need for Despicable Me 3? What kind of? 8 discs for Despicable Me 3? I want someone who thinks something else. Kanaya? Why? What does each disc represent? 2. So I need 4. How many discs do I need for the Batman Lego movie? Elijah? Why do I need 6 discs? There's 12 of them. Oh, but I'm not doing 6 plus 6. I'm not doing 6 times 6 either. What does each disc represent? 2. So what am I doing? 6 times? 6 times 2 equals 12. Yeah, because each one's worth 2. How many discs do I need for the Captain Underpants movie? Christian.
8.
Why do I need 8 discs?
We need 8 discs because each disc represents.
And what times 2 equals 16? 8 times 2 is 16. Very nice. What about Moana? How many discs do I need? Sean? Why? No, backwards. 1 disc equals. Very nice. And Zootopia, how many discs do I need? Zootopia, yes. Why? Very nice. This is really going at the corner, and a disc equals 2. Okay, flip our paper over. Oh, we almost forgot. How do I finish this sentence at the bottom? Each blank means blank. What do you think, Elijah? Each disc, where you're going to draw in the picture, means 2 votes or 2 students. Very nice. Add that. Then let's flip it over. Let's try one more. And flip it over. Try one more. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Hands are folded. 1 and 0. Guys. Oh, I need your eyes with tight hands. Zariah, deduction. Get with us. Wrong page. Turn your page. Guys, just like how I teach 2 math classes, Miss Peterson teaches 2 math classes. She pulled her other class. She pulled the other class with the same movies. There's some votes are different. I want you to quickly label all parts of your graph. Make sure you're annotating, not yet, Trisha. You're annotating the number of votes and make your graph. With your partner, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to do this whole graph. Go. And I will be walking. I'm going to walk around, but I'm going to work with you. So yes, count first, okay? Great. Good start. Different class. Kids voted different. But not your vote. Put your numbers next to your vote. Work with your partner. Let Sean do it. Work with your mommy and with your partner. Do it. Michael, pick it up and get to work, okay? That's fine. Okay. Let's look at it. What did we forget? What did we forget? What goes on first one? Yeah, you're heading. You're working with Oh, yeah. Okay, great. Okay. Let's count our talents. Should I put it left like my brother heading? Is it how that's top of your body or bottom of your body? Yeah, that's where you're heading. Try your best, okay? Stop. Or, what do you think? What do you think you need to do? Turn around. Turn around. We stop. But don't forget. Yep, put your numbers there so you don't have to recount it. You got a minute left. Oh, you're using the same picture as before. No, absolutely not correct. Diamond, you have almost nothing on your paper. Work. That's our 100 pound folded. Three up. 3 people, pass us down. Nice, thank you, DJ. Thank you, Kelsey. So, this time I saw, and I can take a paper. I saw a lot of great work that almost matches the highest perfectly. I saw label data, favorite movies, our heading, our movies, and then we had no problem adding. Hold on, let me add in mine. How many people voted for Despicable Me 3? Anaya? How many people voted for the Batman Lego movie? Trisha? How many people voted voted for Captain Underpants? Elijah? How many people voted for Moana, Brandon? And Zootopia is 4. Okay, so I saw everybody do Despicable Me 3 perfect, just like last time. Oh, Miss Steinbeck almost forgot her key. What's my key in this? What's my key, Jordan? Oh no, what's the key on the graph? What's the key on the graph, Mahogany? What? What is the key? My key, each blank means blank. What's the key? Each disc means, show me on your fingers. Show me on your fingers. 4 people are showing me. Yes, 2 votes. Okay, great. Sorry about that, I almost forgot. Okay. So I saw Despicable Me 3, 4 discs again. Now, that's a Lego movie. 13 kids vote. If each one, let's see, let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. If I draw another circle, what would it get to? DJ? 14. 14. Did 14 kids vote? No. Did 12 kids vote? No. What comes between 12 and 14? What comes between 12 and 14? Ramaya? 13. So what do I need to add to this? Trinity, Sincere, track up here. What do I need to add? Tarija? Do I need to add a full circle? Oh my gosh! Track Tarija. Tarija, say that again. Kanaya, put your pencil down. Makaya, pencil down. Say it again, Tarija. I have what? What? Half a disc. Why do I need to add a half a disc? Makaya, add to it. And why does a half a disc get us to 13? How much is 1 disc worth? How much is 1 disc worth, Soraya? 2. So how much would a half a disc be worth? Christian? 1. Watch how I draw that. I'm going to draw like a half a circle, half a disc. I'm going to give you 2 more minutes to keep going with your picture. And what are you going to draw if it's an odd number? What are you going to draw if it's an odd number, Daphne? Half a disc. 2 minutes, go. Wait. Yeah, I just want to. Okay, great. Oh, we're not on the workshop yet. Nope. Look, you don't have your. Oh, you have a half disc maker, but go back and double check. I only see 1 half disc. We're not doing talents. Look, we're doing discs. Talents are not mentioned tomorrow. There's 50, 40 seconds. Just look at the camera. Very nice. Remember the key. Work with your partner. If you want to make sure it doesn't take a whole disc. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yeah. There you go. That's good, yeah. Oh. 1, 2, 3. So what is 1 disc? Many. What is 1 disc equal? 2. So should we draw 17 discs? me say it again. What are the features? Shut me down. Or parts? No. Features and parts of every picture graph, turn it to your partner. What do we have to have? What are the parts? What parts are parts of the picture graph? And what's the name of the pyramid? Okay, let's come back. 3, 2, or Maya, Zariah, no? Let's do it. 1, 0. What are parts of a picture graph? Dujour. Well, you do have to capture data, but what are the parts? What do we label up here? What are our features? Christian?
We have label.
What is that?
The title.
We have title. What else do we have? Mahogany? User. What? The heading? Oh, the names of the movies. The category? Guys, use our poster to help us. We have the title. We have categories. What else do we have? Daphne. The pictures. Yeah, the picture is a big part of a picture graph. And one more, or 2 more. Micaiah? The key? And, Sincere? They said title. What we're missing is heading. Check. The post is right here. Title, heading, categories, pictures, key. Use the poster to help you. 1. Now, does the key equal 1? Thumbs up, thumbs down. No, it doesn't. What we need to remember is a whole picture guys come in and just sit down and flip to your workshop. Okay, guys. A whole picture represents the whole amount. A half picture represents the half amount. Whole picture represents the whole amount. Half. Oh, hold on. My friends, check the poster. Thank you. This is important. Because those half pictures, what does a half picture represent? What does a half picture represent, Elijah? That's our half picture. What does it represent? 1. Are we counting discs? What were we counting? Which were what? Did I just put random tallies? What did Miss Peterson's class do? Sincere, help her out. 1, both. So a half picture is half the amount. Let's see your workshop page.